How's it going, guys? This is Charles Soundbox TV. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. So today we've got a special video because Cuban boxing knows no bounds. We have my longtime friend who's actually visited Cuba, trained with the best, you know, and the brightest. Jay, tell them about yourself.
Jermaine Williams, former amateur boxer, now a professional boxer. Yeah, as he said, been to Cuba, trained, mixed it, Rafael Trejo Gym, amazing place. If you get a chance, go there, you won't be disappointed. Yeah, so my background, you know, started boxing at the age of 22, quite late for some. Fast forward, won national championship, the novices, then got on to, you know, three-time London champion, and yeah, now professional boxer. So yeah, thank you.
Nice one.
Thanks for having me, guys.
Of course, man. He's a bit camera shy, yeah? So, yeah, guys, today we've got a very interesting video. It's going to take your boxing to the next level. So what we're hoping to do today is show you 5 unique ways to destroy, eliminate, and decimate, annihilate your opponent's jab. That's the most important tool in boxing. So if you can steal that away from your opponent, you're gonna have success. Right, let's get straight into it. Right, guys, so we're gonna start by obviously going through the 5 unique ways that you can steal your opponent's jab. So what I want Jermaine to do is obviously be the opponent. I'm going to first of all start as the pad man, and I'm gonna have my right hand in specific positions to prompt him for specific ways that I want him to throw his punches. So the first thing that I'm going to do, because I don't want him to throw a punch, I want him to maintain distance. So that will be the first way he's going to frustrate his opponent that wants to use their jab. Now, because normally when he throws the jab, he'll be thrown at the right hand, the right pad. I'm going to drop my right hand and I'm going to throw my lead hand, and he's going to maintain distance. So when I'm doing that, all he's doing is catching my lead hand like that. Good. When I try to cut him off to my left, which will be his right, obviously he's slapping my hand around. Good. That's it. Good. If I'm just in the center, just going down, he's just catching the lead hand. If I'm feinting, it doesn't matter because he's got the lead hand there. If I try to go around to my right or to his left, you can see he's shielding my left hand. Now you can see that he's using his lead hand. Many of you will think that obviously by him using his lead hand, I have the opportunity to throw the right, but look at the distance. You know, if he's using his lead hand here from the high guard, so if he catches my lead hand with his, yes, I do have access, but this is where his lead hand is extended. This is the maximum distance in boxing. Orthodox to orthodox, okay? When the lead hands are extended like that. This distance does not allow me to use my right hand. If I can't touch his head with my lead hand, how am I gonna touch his head with my backhand? Okay? Make it make sense, guys. So, the next thing that we're gonna do, we're gonna move to him now attacking. So, when he's done that for about, say, 15 seconds, 20 seconds, what have you, he's going to frustrate his opponent. So, when he now grants his opponent to have access to jabbing normally to his backhand, his opponent is going to feel, yes, I'm finally in the position that I would normally be to throw my jab. But he set that up. So when I've got my backhand up here, what I want Jay to do is when I throw my jab, to return with a jab. Okay? So you can see that for the coaches out there, you're now prompting your boxer to do something specific and different. Boom, boom, good. Boom, boom. Boom, boom, good. Boom, boom, good. And what I can do, I can condition Jay to walk into the right, which now, obviously, if he was to throw a jab and I was to slip, I've got my right hand. Okay, but if he's always moving to the right, boom, boom, good. Boom, boom, good. Boom, boom. Then he's walking away from my right hand. The only thing I've got is my lead hand. Okay? Boom, boom. Boom, boom. Good. Now, the next thing that I want Jay to do is not to solely use that move to counter the jab and to, you know, draw the confidence of his opponent in using that jab down. I want him to vary, adapt. So what I'm going to do is keep my right hand here, and then he's gonna catch the jab, throw the backhand now. Good. Boom. Boom. Good. Ta-ta. Good. Ta-ta. Good. Ta-ta. Good. That's it. Now, this variance in the usage of his right hand and his left hand is what is going to confuse his opponent. His opponent is not going to know which side to defend on, and he's going to have to be alert on both sides. Now, this confusion is what makes you the better boxer. These tricks, these adaptations in your boxing. If you're doing the same thing, it's going to be easy to fight against you. You're going to be an easy boxer. So that is the third thing that Jay needs to do to confuse his opponent and ultimately destroy the jab. Now the next thing is going to be the slip. So I'm going to have the pad right here. What Jay's going to do, again, he's going to step to the right, parry, slip, okay? So all of those three things at the same time, good. And then you see what happens now? I have to pivot to face Jay. Okay, so he's always forcing me as the aggressor to turn with his footwork. But where he's moving and jabbing, okay, he comes off the line, okay? If I go from the front, you guys can see where I'm facing. Yeah, boom, good. So you can see I'm facing this way, Jay's over there. So I have to turn to face him, and then he can step again, okay? He can attack again whilst, you know, he's got options. So here, boom, good, boom, good, that's it, boom, good, boom, good, that's it, good, boom, good. Now, you can see the standard movement for him is to the right when I've used my jab. And the reason for that is because he's on my blind side. You can see my shoulder blocks off his movement. So visually, I'm at a disadvantage. I don't really know what punch he's going to throw next. Also, he goes away from my backhand. So I can't throw 1-2 comfortably, okay? Because then I have to turn, okay? In that situation, Jay had control. So he, again, was leading me onto that punch. But what you can do in a situation where you have lost some of the control and things are a bit fast is to dip. You can see what Jay did before. He stepped with his right foot, he parried, and he slipped. Those are three things. And also the fourth thing, which was the jab, okay? But he can limit himself to two things now, dipping and then throwing, okay? Boom. 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 Good. That's it. Boom. Good. And you can see I've left my hand right here on the torso. That's where he's going to have most success, okay, in landing punches to the torso. And then when you have success at bringing your opponent's hands down, then go up top. Right, guys? We're going to do a small demo so that you can see how this works on the pads. Right, let's get strapped up, Jay. Right, let's begin. So, good, so just controlling. As you can see what Jay's doing now, just controlling. Good, that's it. Good. He's keeping that match, so if I cut him off here, I don't really have access to that. Okay, then here, good. Good, that's it. Good. So now when he sees that I'm more invested in trying to get him in a corner, he's on his toes more. He can take a little jab. Boom, good. Again, boom, just to keep me on my toes. Good, now we're moving to the point where he's waiting for me. He's actually giving me access to throw my jab, but he's looking to throw his jab to surprise me. Boom, boom, good. Boom, good. Good. He surprised me, so I'm going back. Bah, good. Bah, good. Jab. Boom, good. 1, 2. Bah, good. Boom, good. Boom, good. double jab. 1, 2. Good, that's it. So now he's gonna try to confuse me, guys. He's gonna throw that backhand. Boom, good. Boom. Good, he might switch back to the lead hand again. Boom. Boom. Boom, good. Boom, good. Boom, good, that's it. Jab. 1, 2. Good, that's it. So now he's gonna start parrying. Boom, good. Boom, good. Boom, good, that's it. Boom, good, good. He's looking for that opportunity. Boom, right hand, left hook. Huh? Boom, 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 good. Jab, boom, 1, 2, good. Boom, 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 good. Jab, boom, left hook, right hand, boom, boom, good. Jab, boom, good. Now, maybe I'm gonna surprise him. So I'm gonna leave the pad right here. He knows what to do. Wait. He's eager. Boom, good. Boom, good. So obviously Jay might want to add in a little bit of a combination. Jab, boom, jab, boom. Boom, boom, boom. Good, that's it. Trying to add in more. He's eager.
See it flowing.
Boom, 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 good. Jab, boom, good. So guys, now we're gonna get Jay to mix everything up, yeah? Running around the ring. Okay? Boom. Ta, 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 ta. Good. Ta. Ta, good. Ta, good. Ah, good. Ah, good. Ah, good. Boom, good. Boom, good. Boom, good. And parry as well if you can. Boom, good.
Okay, perfect.
Boom, good. Boom, good. Boom, good. Dipping now. Boom, good. Boom, good. Boom, good. 1, 2. Boom, boom, good. Okay, guys, we've come to the end of the video. Thanks for watching.
Thank you, guys. I believe wholeheartedly in sharing information, and this is why we do what we do. Big respect to Salbox. Merchandise out. I'll be rocking this pre-fight, pre-fight training camp. I'm not selling you anything. They feel comfortable with it. Yeah, nah. You know what we do. Thank you, guys. Appreciate it. Hit me up. CTG Boxing. You know what we do. Thank you.
I'm gonna leave Jay's link in the description to Instagram, YouTube, whatever he may have on his socials. And remember, guys, share the video, hit the like button, leave a comment in the comment section if you want to add anything, your 2-piece, your 2 cents, whatever it may be. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.